everybody, welcome back to the Aloha Glitch channel. So, in case you forgot who I am, or if this is the first video you're seeing of me or of the channel, I'm Lucy. I'm one of the promoters for Aloha Glitz, and today I'm going to show you how I done this makeup look. I just sort of went with it, but I ended up really liking it, and I went out of my comfort zones with the colours, as I don't really wear green, blue or purple. So I hope you enjoy the video and you recreate it. So I don't know whether the clip we put in my first eyeshadow one is, but I just put on a Makeup Clip purple eyeshadow. I don't know the shade, but I'm sorry, but yeah, I just put that on. This shade that I'm using is from Aloha Glitz, and it is Mystical. Here I was using Electrified, and then I was just putting it on the top of where I put Mystical, because then I was just going to like ombre it down, so it would be like a darkish blue ombre, if you get what I mean. Please excuse that teenager skin.
This is our style.
I was pretty shook by the product, as you can see right now, and it's another highlighter from Aloha Glitz. I'm not too sure on the name, but if I find out, I'll put it in the description. Did you like it? If you did, like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you go and subscribe to my channels, which will be down below. See more of me, and that's where, you know, you should go. Why not? And also, yeah, I'm in my pyjamas, but you wouldn't have known that and if I didn't tell you. So yeah, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and then I'll see you very, very soon with another video. Bye.